Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Glam Polish Polyjuice Potion. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2. And here is Glam Polish Polyjuice Potion. Oh yes, I'm in the flaky kind of mood. And this bright blue is just going to be right what I need today, I can tell you. I am capping my free edge first with this polish. And then I'm going to go in with my first coat. And I know it is rather sheer. It's a jelly chocked full of flakies and shimmer. It's, oh my goodness. Hi Woody, how you doing? He's so busy. He's going to be real busy today. So here we go. We're going to go in with the second coat of Polyjuice Potion. Like I said, Woody is going to be very busy today. Since I am not painting my nails as often as I had been, you know, you kind of get out of practice. It's not like I don't know how to paint them, I'm just not as neat with it. Or maybe I just didn't care as much. I knew I had time to clean it up. I don't know. So there we go with Woody again. Hey, buddy. What's going on? There we go with 2 coats. And I am going to do a third coat because it is a jelly. It's typical to need 3 coats, and I will do 3 coats because look how pretty that built up. Oh my goodness, stunning, just glowing. Those flakies are glowing. Love it. Gonna get Woody out here again. Hey Woodwood, what's up? So I am gonna top this with some Pro FX quick dry top coat and get it to dry down. I am on the hunt for a new fast dry top coat that I can find at a regular store. Once I find stuff, I will let you know what I'm trying and what I like and what I don't like. You can bet on that. So get Woody out here again. There's Woody. There he is. Getting a lot of FaceTime. Here's my swatch photo of it on its own. And today I'll be stamping with the Uber Chic Yay Spring Plate using Shutout by Brave Steva, my Conad stamper, and my Beauty Scraper. I decided I really did need to get at least one Easter mani in before, you know, that holiday sneaks up on me and passes me by. I'm just having trouble with it sometimes. You know, these holidays just get right on top of us and then it's over. So I decided I would do one today. And I really like this little egg print here. It's got all kinds of different designs of little Easter eggs. And I love that it's a really big image, so I can like use half of it and then go back and use the other half. If you had really long nails, this would be an amazing image for you. It would work really well. So I'm going to use that image on my pointer nail, middle fingernail, and my pinky. And I'm going to use a different image on my thumb and my ring finger. I am cleaning that plate up with pure acetone. And my stamper has been getting cleaned off on a lint roller. I try to always say that because I know not everybody, you know, knows what we're doing. They haven't been junkies for years and years like some of us, so I try to say that in case we have any new people out there that are watching for the first time. They're like, well, how do you clean that? What do you do? So here we go. This is more of one of those solid images that just lets the polish peek through. So I wanted to use that one on my thumb and my ring finger kind of as my accent. I didn't get a really good pickup and I didn't notice it until it was too late. So I'm going to have to do some surgery on this. So I'm going to go up here in this corner and get that part of the image that I need. And then I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and get rid of some of this that I know I don't need. It was that one little egg with the stripes that I was missing pieces of. And I am going to line it up and get it on there the best I can. Now there is going to be some double exposed white, so it's going to look a little thicker white in some spots, but I'd rather have that look than, you know, and this, I did this cleanup before I did the fix, so, but I wanted to keep it in order for the video. So here we go with the smudge-free top coat. I'm going to top that rascal off, and as you can see what I'm talking about with that double exposed, it's just a little thicker. And now we're going to top it off with some Poshe top coat. You know, it's one of my favorites, if not my all-time favorite. Love this stuff. And I know I've gotten other people hooked on it, and so If you're one of those people, congratulations, you have a crazy good top coat. So here is my manicure in motion. I hope you love this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today, and a swatch photo. As always, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.